Always something going on with the RV. But I noticed this last year. Windshield wipers, man, they are way past due to be replaced. Alright, so that's what we're going to do today. Real simple fix. These are not, from what I'm understanding, these are not something you get from O'Reilly's or something like that because of the length. So I think these are like, online they're saying they were 28, but I recall measuring in there, these are actually 31 inches. We're going to try to pop these off and go to this thing off here. Come through that way. Now pull it. There we go. That's one. I'm gonna close these up. I wanna make sure I can walk through and set them up. All right, so let's go to the journey and get these replaced. All right. We both the same size. Yep. It's always cool just to come in here and just look around. You'll be in here buying stuff you really don't need. But it's cool. Sometimes you find a good little deal here and there. Yep, that's it right there. Outside. That's it right there. People that we got it. $9. That's why you come here and you find shit like this. You don't really need. But we're gonna try this one out. Alright, let's look at these O's again. You see how that just all dry rotted. Wasn't doing no good. That one is no better shape. And that's sun just beaming on it. These are what I got. So if you're looking for one, I remember I originally measured 31, but I guess they're counting I don't know. These saying 32. But there's that little J-lock thing right there. We're gonna pull it ahead. Gonna stick it through there like that. And it is locked on there. We'll make sure it snaps on there. So it is snapped on there. And voila. Now let's go in. A couple of days ago I came through it to charge up the battery. Let's see if I ran it long enough to get that battery, to keep that battery charged. This code does work on the door, but I'm not gonna put it on here for y'all thieving son of a guns. We're just gonna use the key. Battery looks like it still may have a little juice. Let's come in and see if it cranks up. Bam, it does. All right. Let's test out our windshield wiper. Oh yeah, we are good to go, people. I remember last time I drove it, it rained a little bit. Those blades, that was last summer, I could tell those blades need to be replaced in. But that's one thing you're doing when you're driving this thing, you caught in the rain. Man, you don't want anything to sort of hamper your visibility driving. So, you know, it might not seem like that big of a deal, but wiper blades caught in the rain, you want to keep your visibility as clear as you possibly can. All right, now we got this little thing, Bright Basics mirror wireless light bar. Suction cup mount, tap on and off, wireless operation, 3 light modes, 200 lumens. This is like $9. Keeps it from sliding. Just a couple of modes. And where would you put this? I don't know. We'll figure out a place to put that. $9. All right, we're gonna end this video right now. All right, peace.